Hi guys, I'm Mark from Lyre's, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lyre's Mojito. Mojitos are world renowned as one of the most popular cocktails to go across any bar, and for good reason. They're a classic highball. They're also known as the Cuban highball. They originate in South America, and they're super simple to make. It's 5 or 6 ingredients topped with soda, and there you have it, a really complex, well-balanced drink. Traditionally, a mojito calls for white rum. Today, we're going to be using the Lyre's white cane spirit. So, like a white style rum, it's really rich in those Caribbean aromas of coconut, toasted nuts, vanilla, orange blossom. And we're going to go in with 75 mils straight into a highball glass. So it's a pretty generous pour, but we really want to make sure that those Caribbean notes shine through in this drink. 75 straight into our highball. I'm going to follow that with 30 mils of fresh lime juice. This is going to be the acidic element of our cocktail. And to balance that out, 15 mils of sugar syrup. All this is equal parts sugar and water. I've dissolved them and cooled them ahead of time. To that, I've got a small handful of mint here, maybe 8 or 10 leaves. I'm gonna pop them in my hand, give them a nice hard slap before popping them into the drink. And the reason why we're doing that is to start to break down those cell walls so that the mint oil is actually released into the drink. And I might even give them a little tear for good measure. Now I'm gonna ice my drink. So I'm gonna fill it almost to the top with fresh ice. I'm gonna leave just a little bit of headway so I can top it with about 30 mils of soda water. So the soda water is gonna give obviously some bubbles to the drink. It's gonna make it effervescent, but it's also gonna lengthen it out so it's not too acidic. And to garnish, a couple wheels of lime, because what's a mojito without lime? I'll give it a quick stir with a swizzle stick. And I've got a really nice, fresh, plump sprig of mint here. I'm gonna hold it by the end, give it a nice slap across my hand, and give it a twirl so that pops up lovely in the glass. And there you have it, the Lyre's Mojito. I'm gonna enjoy this one with a metal straw. As I mentioned, everything you'd expect out of a mojito. You've got the sweetness, obviously from the sugar syrup, that really balances out the acidity of the fresh lime juice. You've got that classic mint, fresh mint note, and you know, slapping those leaves makes the world of a difference. And you can't go past those classic coconut and toasted nut notes of the Lyre's white cane spirit. That really makes this drink a mojito. For more recipes just like this and to shop the full range, head to lyres.co.